Milk has been consumed around the world for centuries and provides numerous health benefits for our bodies. It is nutrient-rich and contains good levels of protein as well. Although we will be discussing the nutrition and health benefits of cow's milk in this video, almond milk, goat's milk, and other milk varieties are also more than acceptable to use in this mixture and would be recommended if lactose intolerant or for those who follow a vegan diet. Ginger is also an incredible superfood that provides unique health benefits for those who consume it. It is also nutrient-dense and can provide relief for many unwanted ailments. When combined and consumed together, ginger milk can offer tremendous health benefits for health-conscious individuals. It is very simple to make your own ginger milk at home and can be consumed either cold or warm. All you will need is 1 cup of milk, 1 to 2 teaspoons of ground or grated ginger, and perhaps a little organic honey for taste. Simply combine the ingredients into a saucepan and let simmer over medium heat until you begin to notice the milk becomes foamy. This can take about 5 to 10 minutes. Strain the mixture into a cup and let cool to your desired temperature, then enjoy. Now, let's discuss some of the amazing health benefits of consuming ginger milk regularly. First, consuming ginger milk can provide tremendous levels of nutrition for our bodies and is truly a nutritional powerhouse. Both ingredients offer different types of nutrients for our bodies, so we are getting a wide range of nutrition when we consume this drink. Milk contains many different vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that are great for our overall health. They are high in calcium, riboflavin, phosphorus, vitamin D, vitamin B12, and selenium, among many others. Milk is also a good source of protein, and higher fat varieties, such as 2% or 3.25%, are high in linoleic acid and antioxidants. Just be sure to consume in moderation if consuming higher fat varieties. Ginger contains traces of potassium, copper, magnesium, vitamin B6, and vitamin C. However, its nutritional benefits cannot be understated when it comes to the unique compounds it contains and the potent and powerful medicinal properties these compounds provide. Ginger contains high levels of gingerol, which is a bioactive compound found in ginger and provides powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits. As well, its natural oils and compounds can help to reduce nausea, improve digestion, and boost immunity, which is often attributed to its high levels of antioxidants. Ginger milk can also provide important heart health boosting abilities and reduce heart disease and many risk factors associated with it. Milk, which is often associated with healthy bones, is actually heart healthy and provides many different benefits in this way. Multiple studies have shown that when milk is consumed regularly and consistently, it can help to prevent cardiovascular disease. It can also help to improve the overall health of our blood vessels and arteries, while also preventing atherosclerosis. This is often attributed to the great levels of calcium it contains. Milk also contains unique peptides, potassium, and magnesium, which can help to regulate blood pressure levels since they act as vasodilators. Ginger can also improve the overall health of our heart and may also help to lower cholesterol levels in the body. Studies have shown that when ginger and ginger extract were consumed, it led to a decrease in bad LDL cholesterol, while also showing decreases in both triglycerides and total cholesterol, all of which are risk factors for heart disease. Drinking ginger milk can also provide important benefits for our bones and help to reduce the risk of unwanted bone ailments such as osteoporosis. This is especially true as we get older. Milk contains a number of bone-healthy nutrients, the most important being calcium, which is a vital nutrient when it comes to the proper development of our bones and bone strength. When milk is consumed, it can significantly reduce the risk of weakened bones and bone density, which can also help to prevent osteoporosis. It also contains other bone-healthy nutrients, such as magnesium and manganese. Ginger can also help to improve the overall health of our bones and specifically reduce the risk of osteoporosis and even strengthen the bones. This is often attributed to its amazing and potent anti-inflammatory effects, which left untreated can eventually lead to the degeneration of our bones and compromise bone density. Studies have also shown that ginger can help to reduce stiffness for those individuals already suffering from osteoporosis. Lastly, it may come as a surprise to some, but consuming ginger milk can help to fight unwanted infections and even prevent unwanted diseases and ailments. Ginger is very helpful in fighting bad bacteria and infections in the body. This is because it is packed with important active ingredients, such as the unique compound gingerol, that is a bioactive substance that can help to lower the risk of developing infections. As well, studies have shown that ginger can prevent or inhibit the growth of different types of bacteria in the body. Ginger is especially helpful at preventing inflammatory diseases in the mouth and gums and can help to increase dental health. Ginger may also help to reduce bacteria associated with respiratory infections. Drinking milk regularly can also help to boost our immune system due to the tremendous amounts of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants found within it. This can help the immune system fight bad bacteria in the body and promote good bacteria to thrive in the gut. As well, consuming milk can also help to improve overall dental care. Clearly, consuming ginger milk can be very beneficial for our health. Try the ginger milk recipe described above and enjoy these wonderful health benefits it can provide for our bodies. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.